Helping you plan your shipment in advance is our Sailing Schedule tab. No more last-minute surprises to disrupt your consignment movements. You can instantly search for a new sailing by entering your source and destination of choice and click on Search. We have made the Sailing Schedule page customizable, as per your preference. Now you will be able to choose between List View or Card View. You will also have the option to load sailing for recently booked and quote trade lanes, as well as access all recently searched sailings by simply clicking on the Load button. You can pick from our network of over 2,400 trade lanes across more than 160 countries. You can also generate a quote or book from this page itself, by clicking on the icons, Get Quote, Book Now. All sailing can be either downloaded into Excel format or into PDF by clicking on the icon with the 3 dots. Here you can also create and schedule a report in order to receive weekly reports regarding available trade lanes. Based on your requirements you can choose from weekly, monthly and yearly options.